Here's a great deal on a 2014 BMW X5 S-Drive 35i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.